If you need to view notes someone has shared with you in Evernote, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. It's simple, fast, and once you know where to look, you can open shared notes in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote on your computer or in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar. This is where Evernote keeps the main navigation, and the option you need is Shared with Me. Click Shared with Me to see a list of notes and notebooks that other people have shared with your account. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the sidebar carefully, since it may be tucked in with your other sections depending on your layout. After you click Shared with Me, Evernote will display all the shared content available to you. Now, you can browse through the list and look for the specific note you want to open. If you're trying to find something from a coworker, classmate, or team member, this is the place where it should appear as long as they shared it with the correct email address. Once you find the note, click on it to open it. The note will load in the main viewing area, and from there, you can read the content, review any attached information, and go through everything that was shared with you. If the owner has given you editing permissions, you may also be able to make changes or leave comments, but if you only have view-only access, then you'll be able to read the note without editing it. That's completely normal, and it depends on the sharing settings the owner chose. If you still can't find the note, there's one important thing to check. Make sure the owner shared it with the exact email address connected to your Evernote account. Also, if Evernote required an invitation to be accepted, confirm that you've accepted that invitation. A lot of people miss that step, and it can make it seem like the note never arrived. So to recap, open Evernote, click Shared with Me in the left sidebar, browse the shared notes, and then open the one you want to view. It only takes a moment once you know where everything is. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Evernote tips and software how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.